What's going on, guys? It's Mo here with Auto Addict. Hope you guys are having a good day today. I have right next to me Waverly's Camaro Gen 5 2010 to 2013 version, rocking our ZL1 bumper conversion, the Gen 6 style. Let's dive into all the details and tell you the specs in order for you to rock the headlights and the harness and move forward from there. As you guys see right now, this bumper is available on our website to purchase for the 2010 to 2015 Chevy Camaro. Payment will be great, but if you do have the 2010 to 2013 Chevy Camaro, you gotta get a custom T-harness if you have the non-RS or the RS package. These two things must be required to contact by us so we can go ahead and help you guys out providing the right T-harness to make the Gen 6 style headlight function properly with the signal, DRL, low beam, and high beam. And lastly, guys, as you can see, Waverly did add the ZL1 fog lights with this bumper, Gen 6 style. Right over here, you're gonna get the complete look rocking the Gen 6 headlights with going down action with the ZL1 fog lights. There you guys have it, the ZL1 Gen 6 style full conversion bumper on the Gen 5 10 to 13 Camaro. This kit is available also for the 14, 15, but don't forget the 10 to 13 requires a little bit more products to buy in order to rock the Gen 6 style headlight with the fog lights. Hope you guys like this video. Make sure you guys subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have a lot more builds coming out your way. Hit that notification bell button so every time we post, you guys are fully alerted. I will see you guys soon. Peace.